Hey family, Three Shades of K here. Today I'll be sharing a quick buffalo check holiday decor with you. Sit right there, don't go anywhere. So first we have a little accent pine needle. It was $1.99 pine needle decor from Roses, as well as this plaid tree skirt from Roses. We love it because it has the brown fur look as at the tip, and it'll match, pretty well in our living room with the brown. Next, I found these two precious ornaments from Family Dollar, $1 a piece. Joy and Peace. I have black and white, and we have black and red. Joy and Peace. So I cannot wait to put these on the Christmas tree. Last, we have a Merry Christmas candle. It smells like almost like a mix of cinnamon and pine. That's the only way I can explain it. It's from the Rose collection. It was only $1. Family Dollar as well. But yes, I love these 5 items. The price was very good on all of these. So I'm excited about using these for this Christmas 2020. Last, I wanted to share with you, I have not worn this buffalo check scarf. It's actually 2 pieces from Dollar Tree. Someone gave it to me last year as a little small gift at work, and I was like, why did she give me 2 of these? Well, got it from Dollar Tree, and they were kind of thin, but they are perfect once you put them together. I tied them together and doubled them up, and I think they'll look cute. So I'm looking forward to wearing this. I can wear it anytime, doesn't have to be the Christmas season, but I'm excited about wearing this, definitely. So yeah, I think that's really cute. Maybe on a black or white shirt or sweater. I think it'll look nice. And last is the buffalo check throw that we received as a gift from my sister-in-law Anne on last Christmas. So yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader, create your own sunshine. Happy Thanksgiving to each of you. I will see you on the next upload.